Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So this afternoon we're going to be spreading some gypsum. So we've got someone coming that we're hiring someone to bring a spreader, and they're going to come spread the load of gypsum that we got from Fort Dodge, Iowa. We had someone truck it in a grain trailer full of the load of gypsum, and so we're going to just use a conveyor that we're borrowing from someone else. We're going to have the conveyor underneath the semi-trailer, then we're just going to load whatever or however much, fill up the fertilizer spreader. Then he's going to spread it on our 2 fields that were corn last year. We did already chisel them, but we can just spread that gypsum right on top, and then in the spring we'll work it in with the field cultivator. So yeah, let's go get ready to spread some gypsum. And in case you were wondering, I believe gypsum, it's like a sulfur. So we do spread manure and that has some sulfur in it, but it doesn't have quite enough that our fields need. So it has some sulfur, and I believe it's nitrogen. I'll put on the screen if I'm correct or not. If I'm not correct, I'll put what it really is. But I believe it's sulfur and some sort of nitrogen. Well, so what you saw in the video, in the drone video, if you saw some white smoke, that was actually the hydraulic line or the power steering line blowing. It was the line blew open, and it was blowing hydraulic oil onto the exhaust pipe, and it was causing it to smoke. And it also started a small fire, but the guy luckily had snow, so he could put it out. He stuffed snow on it, put that out. So now we took off that hose, and then Dad and the guy driving the floater ran to town, and they're gonna go get a hose made at the shop, or at some shop. They'll get a hose made and hopefully put it back on. And then right now I'm just waiting in the semi, because the guy driving the semi, he went home because why is he gonna sit around? Got nothing to do here, so he just went home, had someone pick him up. So now I'm just sitting in the semi bored, but hey. At least the semi sounds good. Turbo whistle.